Student, today we study about beta and gamma function. So uh, the first the first kind and second kind Aryan integrals are also called beta and gamma function. The first and second kind Aryan integral are also called beta and gamma function and defined as beta mn is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx, and the gamma n is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 e to the power minus x dx, where m and mn greater than 0, m and n can be integrals or fractional. Since this is the beta and gamma function, these integrals, this integral is called first and second integrals are called first kind and second kind Aryan integrals. These are also known as beta and gamma function. Beta function read as this is beta mn and this is gamma n. ये फर्स्ट इंटीग्रल is called first kind integral and second is the second kind integral. These are called Aryan integrals. These are also known as beta and gamma function. So this is the first kind Aryan integral, this is the second kind Aryan integral. So these Aryan integral of first kind and second kind are also called beta and gamma function and defined as beta mn is equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx, and gamma n is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 e to the power minus x dx. Here beta, this is read as beta function is read as beta mn and gamma function is read as gamma n. So integral first and second, so integral 1 and 2 read as beta mn and gamma n respectively. आप देख सकते हैं ये इंटीग्रल फर्स्ट और सेकेंड, फर्स्ट इज द फर्स्ट काइंड Aryan integral and second is the second kind Aryan integral. These Aryan integrals are called beta and gamma function. Beta function is read as beta mn and gamma function is read as gamma n, where m and n both are greater than 0. M and n can be integrals or fractionals. Now we first define properties of beta functions. Properties of beta function. So first property of beta function is beta function is symmetrical. So first property is beta function is symmetrical. Beta function is symmetrical. That is beta mn is equal to beta nn. This property of beta function is called symmetrical property of beta function. So we prove this beta mn is equal to beta nn. So beta mn, we know that this is equal to 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 and 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. So we know that from the property of definite integral, we know that since 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. This is the property of definite integral. Here we use this property of definite integral. In place of a, this is 1, and so we can see from this property, in place of x we put here a minus x. So a is 1 here, so in place of x we put here 1 minus x. So using this property, we write this 0 to 1 here, 1 minus x to the power m minus 1, and here 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx. So this can be written as 0 to 1 and 1 minus x to the power m minus 1, and here 1, open the bracket, so this minus plus minus 1, and this is plus x whole power n minus 1 dx. So this can be written as, here this 1 cancel out, so this is equal to 0 to 1 and 1 minus x whole power m minus 1 and multiplied by x to the power n minus 1 dx. So this can be written as 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. So we can see here, beta mn is equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1, 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Here we can see from this and this, in place of m and n are interchanged, so this can be written as beta nm. So we know that beta mn is equal to beta nm, so this shows that beta function is symmetrical. आप देख सकते हैं बीटा फंक्शन की फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी है बीटा फंक्शन इज सिमेट्रिकल, दैट इज बीटा mn इज इक्वल टू बीटा nm, ये हमको प्रूव करना है. सो वी नो दैट बीटा mn इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल 0 टू 1 x टू द पावर n minus 1, 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Now here we use property of definite integral, that is we know that integral of fx between the limit 0 to a is equal to integral of fa minus x between the limit 0 to a. So here we can see, compare this, we can see here a is equal to 1 and fx is this. So we can see here in place of x we put here a minus x. So in place of x here we put 1 minus x. So we put here x, in place of x we put here 1 minus x and here 1 minus x. So when we open this bracket, so this 1 and this minus plus minus 1 and this minus minus plus x whole power n minus 1 dx. So this plus 1 and minus 1 cancel out, so we get here x to the power n minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus x whole power n minus 1. We can see that this beta function, in this beta function and in this beta function, both m and n are interchanged. So in place of m, here is n, and in place of n here is m. So we write this integral as beta nm. So we can see a beta function is symmetrical, that means beta mn is equal to beta nm. Thank you.